Hello, emotionally intelligent ones. Are you wondering how to make SEL initiatives truly stick? The answer lies in families. The home is truly the first agent of socialization, and SEL adoption works best when individuals, schools, and families are all involved and work together to raise emotionally intelligent people. Here's why family involvement and engagement in SEL matters. Children and adults don't switch off their emotions when they leave school and the workplace. The 5 core SEL competencies, that is self-awareness, self-management, social skills, emotional intelligence, and responsible decision-making, can be reinforced at home. The home gives opportunities to reinforce and concretize lessons, practice skills in real-life situations, which in turn helps learning become more lasting. SEL is not just a school program, it is a life skill. Here are 3 ways to involve families in SEL implementation. Number 3, regular and clear communication with families. Families can't support what they don't understand. Hence, it becomes imperative to communicate the aim, principles, and methodologies of social and emotional learning via school newsletters, highlighting SEL themes, emails and circulars explaining what children are learning, online platforms or portals, sharing SEL tips and resources, and via short, simple messages that parents and family members can apply at home. This will help parents feel informed, confident, and included. Number 2, create inclusive family events. SEL should feel welcoming and involving and not intimidating. Families can be brought in to experience SEL's core framework through family dinners, community celebrations, open days focused on connection and well-being, and activities that encourage families to learn and reflect together. These events will in turn strengthen school-family relationships, build trust and belonging, and make everyone feel valued. Do subscribe to this channel before we jump right into number 1. Number 1, parent workshops and practical workshops. The truth is that parents love their children and also want to help. They mostly need to be taught how and to be given tools. So consider supporting parents firstly through your PTA meetings, because PTA meetings are a powerful opportunity to bring SEL conversations to the forefront. So make your PTA meetings equipping. Don't just talk about academics and fees. You can also organize parent workshops and webinars on emotional intelligence, share simple SEL strategies for home, provide printable or digital SEL resources, and recommend age-appropriate videos and activities to parents. Dear emotionally intelligent ones, when schools and families work together, children win. So take effort from today to engage parents and families in SEL implementation and adoption. Every small effort counts and builds up towards the main goal. Did you learn from this video? Please give it a thumbs up, put your thoughts in the comments, watch other videos in this playlist for learning and enjoyment, and share with everyone you love. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected for more. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.